Tere! Today we can see the simple past tense in Estonian. That is, how to talk about the events that happened in the past and say things like I saw, you did, they went. To form the simple past affirmative, you need the ma infinitive. Then you drop the ma and add the following endings. Ma vaatasin, I watched. Sa vaatasid, you watched. Ta vaatas, she or he watched. Me vaatasime, we watched. Te vaatasite, you watched. Nad vaatasid, they watched. You can see that the endings are almost the same as in the present tense. There is only an additional s to mark the past. You can also see that you watched and they watched is the same form. Note also that she or he watched has only an s in the end. Now, some verbs have a consonant in the end when you drop the ma suffix. In that case, all the endings remain the same, with the only difference that you need to add the letter I between the consonants and the s for the third person in singular. Ta sõitis. To negate in the simple past tense, you need the same nude form that we talked about in the last video. And the nude form, as you remember, comes from the da infinitive. So, vaadata, vaadanud, ei vaadanud. And as always, the negation is the same form for all the persons. Ma ei vaadanud, I didn't watch. Te ei vaadanud, you didn't watch. Nad ei vaadanud, they didn't watch. So the negation of the simple past tense is similar to the present perfect form. The only difference is that in the simple past there is no to be verb. This is almost all about the simple past tense in Estonian. We still need to go through the exceptional verbs as their simple past form is again a little bit different from the general rule that we learned today, and we will do that the next time.